Here's how to stop Microsoft Edge from consuming your RAM in the background. Two methods depending on how much control you want. Method 1. Stop the background drain without uninstalling. Open Edge and click the three dots in the top right, then Settings. Go to System and Performance on the left sidebar. Turn off Startup Boost. This is the setting that preloads Edge into your RAM the moment Windows boots, even if you never open it. Also turn off Continue Running Background Extensions and Apps when Microsoft Edge is closed. Close Edge, open Task Manager, and watch the Edge background processes disappear from the list. This alone frees up 200 to 500 megabytes of RAM with zero risk. Method 2. Full Removal. Open the Microsoft Store and install WinToys. It is free and listed directly in the store. Once open, go to Take Control of your system, then the Settings icon, then System. Find Digital Markets Act and enable it. Do not sleep or shut down. Do a proper restart. After rebooting, go to Settings, then Apps, then Installed Apps. Search for Microsoft Edge. Click the three dots and Uninstall will now be available. Read the dependency warning before confirming. If you change your mind, Edge can be reinstalled anytime from Microsoft's official website. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.